Today I'm making the most popular Indian dessert Gajar ka halwa. It's a carrot based dessert pudding enjoyed during winters when the red carrots are available in bulk. It's difficult to find in the US. Fortunately, I found red carrots this time in Indiaco, the new Indian grocery store opened recently in Atlanta, Georgia, US. Traditionally, it's made in a big vessel handi. It takes a long time, but because I'm using a pressure cooker, it will be made instantly in half an hour. So let's make it. These are the main ingredients: 1 kilogram of fresh red carrots, ghee, I'm using A2 ghee here, 1 cup of cow milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but traditionally it's made in a cow milk. 1 cup of sugar, some nuts for garnishing, half tablespoon of crushed cardamom and a grater to grate the carrots. First of all, finely grate the carrots and keep it aside. Take a nice big pressure cooker. I am using a 5-liter handi shaped cooker which I have placed on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. As it heats up, fry the nuts in it. Now in the same ghee put the grated carrots and mix well. Cook on a medium flame for about 15 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally to prevent from sticking at the bottom. After 15 minutes of cooking, we will get a nice aroma of sauteed carrots. At this stage, add milk and mix it well. Cover the cooker with its lid. Put heat on high flame. When you see the steam coming out from the lid, put the whistle on and allow 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released naturally, open the cooker and check. Carrots are cooked well and become very soft. Now we will dry the milk from this mixture completely by putting the flame high and keep stirring in between. When the moisture is dried up completely, put 1 tablespoon of ghee, half tablespoon of crushed cardamom, nuts, and mix them well. Let it cook for about 2-3 minutes. Now mix the sugar and cook for 5 more minutes. You will see the color changes to nice golden red after adding the sugar. Notice the ghee coming out from the corners. That's when our halwa is ready. So let us serve and enjoy this delicious gajar ka halwa. You can also store this in an airtight container for about a week and enjoy it after reheating. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe.